Welcome to the AquaTru family. We're going to walk you through everything you need to know to set up and use your AquaTru for the first time. Before getting started, please make sure to wash and dry your tap water tank and clean water tank. When handling the tanks and filters, always make sure you've washed and cleaned your working surfaces. This helps ensure the purity of your drinking water. And always place your AquaTru on a flat and stable surface. Place away from direct sunlight and any heat source. Remove the filter cover by gently lifting the side panel from the bottom. Set it aside. Remove the stickers covering the filter bases. You can see that each filter base is color-coded and labeled for its correct filter. To install, simply insert the yellow pre-carbon filter and turn it clockwise so the red arrows align. You'll notice that filter bases actually pivot outwards, making it even easier to install. Complete this process for the blue RO filter and the green VOC filter. Slide the cover back on. It may take you a couple of tries to get the hang of it, but practice makes perfect. Next, fill your tap water tank with cold or room temperature tap water. It's got a handle to make it easy to carry. Then place the tanks on the base of the machine, one at a time. Make sure your AquaTru is plugged in and then turn the power switch on. AquaTru will start filtering immediately. You'll know that it's working when you hear the pump running and you see the display panel cycling through the 4-stage filtration process. Your AquaTru will stop filtering when the clean water tank is full or the tap water tank is ready to be emptied. The full blue circle at the top of your display panel is a reminder to empty the wastewater from your tap tank. After the first full tank is filtered, empty out both tanks of water. Refill your tap water tank and place both tanks back on the base. If this is the first time you've run AquaTru, you'll need to run 4 full tanks of water through the system prior to drinking the water. This step is important to precondition and flush out the filters and internal system before consuming your pure water. You may notice some bubbles and even cloudiness in the tap water tank when you use it for the first time. This is simply trapped air from the filters escaping. Once you have completed 4 full cycles, give your tanks one more quick rinse with soap and water, and then you're ready to start enjoying your AquaTru. Fill up the tap water tank and place both tanks on the base to begin filtering your first tank of delicious AquaTru water. Here are some helpful tips. When dispensing from AquaTru's convenient push spout, make sure to leave your container under the spout for just a second or two after releasing to allow it to fully empty. If your AquaTru does not start, make sure to check that the filter cover and both tanks are properly in place. AquaTru won't operate if all its parts are not fully in place. After discarding the wastewater, refill your tap water tank right away. This way, AquaTru will automatically resume filtering when you dispense any water from your clean water tank, so you always have a full tank on hand. Discarding the wastewater after each use extends the life of AquaTru and the filters. If you don't empty the tap tank each time, you will not only strain the system and filters, but you will also void your warranty. AquaTru works by recirculating the water and concentrating contaminants in the tap water tank. That's why you have to discard the wastewater after each use. 5. Wash both tanks once a week to keep your water pure and clean. Thank you for joining our AquaTru family. We hope you enjoy the convenience of drinking pure, healthy water right from your countertop. AquaTru's patent-pending ultra-reverse osmosis technology guarantees you pure, delicious water with every glass.